We are a leading telecom service provider within Europe and the United States, and we provide telecom services to more than 150 million customers.
The problem of fraud is that it's really hard to quantify it, because sometimes you can see the periods where there is low fraud activity, but suddenly there might be a peak, which would mean like hundreds of thousands of euros lost within a day. Before we had big data solution from Cloudera, we were not able to do any machine learning. So we first decided to implement some internal use cases like fraud detection, some CRM-related stuff, and increase some operational efficiency in the company.
We enabled some machine learning and artificial intelligence to detect new fraud patterns very successfully.
Impala is a great way how to query the data very quickly, and especially for the data scientists, it's a great way how to go through the data.
We increased our operational efficiency by 50%. So we have less alarms, less incidents. Another thing is that in the CRM area, we are better in cooperating with customers, targeting campaigns, and we can say that we can get initial revenue in tens of millions of euros group-wide.